What's up, guys? How's it going? This is Seth, your Chaartist. Today is December 21st, 2023, Thursday, local time, 6:49 p.m. I will be analyzing Airbnb. I am on daily charts. If you do like the analysis, you do like me talking about the charts, make sure you follow me here on TradingView and YouTube. And don't forget to press the bell icon on YouTube for the latest updates. And also, you can follow me on X, where I'm posting a lot of trades. I've posted this trade there. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'm gonna start the analysis really quick now. I'm on daily charts. This video is for people who want to learn and grow. If you are just here for fun, stop the video because I don't know how long it's gonna be. Stop the video and you can focus somewhere else. So if you want to learn, I'm not trying to be rude here. This is my content, and I need to be sure that people who actually want to learn this need to watch this. Otherwise, if you're just here for fun, scrolling and found me, and just for fun you're watching it, don't watch it. I'm not rude here. I'm just making sure that quality is delivered to quality people. Okay, let's cut it short. I'm going to start the analysis now. I will be going on yearly and we'll see where price. I need to understand the journey of the price. So, price is actually uh, in reacting, like it has already reacted from yearly supply zone multiple times. I will show you on monthly. This is your half yearly supply. This is your quarterly supply. So price actually, I I posted the trades for this also. I don't know if anybody can recall. So this happened near earnings. This was one earnings. I'm not going to discuss this one. So it goes into the wick and then started reacting. This is your supply zone. Okay, price is reacting from here. This is quarterly, so it's been 5 months now. Selling usually dries up within 6 to 8 months, whatever. So this happened in July, in that quarter. So understand this. It's been almost 5 6 months, and then after reacting from this quarterly supply, look at this. Price goes right into this the wick of this quarterly demand zone, and then it starts reacting. So this is how price works. It goes from quarter to quarter, but it takes time. Look at this, January, and now it's another January next month. So you need to understand this is how price works. Now, if I go on monthly, this is your complete price action for Airbnb. So if I go on monthly, there is selling here, but we'll see what kind of selling, what quality of selling we have here. So you see here, just you're watching all these wicks, and you do see price reacting from here. Go to pre-market, you will understand in pre-market hours that price actually went deep inside and it started reacting from specific supply zones. Okay, go to 4 hour or 3 hour or 2 hour and turn on aftermarket hours. Then you will understand where price is reacting from. I spend a lot of time, energy into charts, so to understand what the journey of the price is. Now I'm going to turn on the drawings, and it's going to get complicated. I am assuming, okay, let me turn it off for a second. I'm assuming this to be a supply because understand price has actually reacted from here. So from the high of 177, it did a low of 86. So selling is definitely here. We'll understand the quality of selling here, but selling is definitely here. Right now, price is reacting from this wick. Pending orders are being collected from here. So it price goes in here and then it goes down here, comes into this monthly demand zone. Go and watch the video for demand zone, guys. You're wasting your time. Understand that I cannot stress much on that now. This is your demand zone. If you have any doubts, ask me. Okay, this is your demand zone. So price goes into monthly supply, good supply, because definitely understand price was coming down here. Look at the percentage, 10% downfall. Then it opens somewhere here. From it looks like a very small wick. Understand this. So price opens, look here, price opens at 153, makes a high of 158. So it goes till here, 158, 159, and then boom here. So selling is definitely here because if buyers were activated here, because from 153 they did made a high of 158.74, almost 159. So definite buying was here, but they were not so strong So that's why they went down, because sellers were aggressive here, and we can see their aggression. So definitely there were sellers here, and that's why price actually started reacting once it goes in here, because this is your selling zone. This is the breakdown. This is how you break down candles. Now, when it's coming down, it goes into this demand zone, okay, and it starts reacting. Now, this is your supply zone. I exited at 135 last to last week when I posted that trade for Airbnb. Where I caught it at 125, then exited here because of this supply. Okay, I posted on X as well with a picture of my frozen gym bottle, and I exited here. I don't care if it's going to 150. I know where to exit. Okay, I did exit it. Okay, now what is happening here is it will react. Definitely it will react, because we have selling here. This is, understand this candle as well. So this selling is a reaction of this. It is not an original selling zone. This is actually made, this selling was actually made from this. Now, demand and supply is a game of pending orders. So understand the pending orders from this particular supply has been picked by this wick, almost picked by this wick. So definite 151 for short term targets is going to come, should come. Understand this here. Look at this wick. So this selling is done. Now this is a gap down, by the way. So this candle closed at 152, made a high of 155, and then it gapped down and opened here. So this, there was definite selling in this zone. It's not a powerful selling. It is, I'm going to break it down and show you in a better way. Now price is moving from this demand zone, and this is not a supply zone, but it is good enough to hold the price, may waste your option money and then go up. Okay, now another demand zone is being formed here. I have told you many times, whenever a supply zone has to be broken, a new demand zone is formed. This candle is live, that's why I've not marked it, and this caught my eye right away, right now. Otherwise, I didn't notice this until now. Anyways, this is your demand zone for now, but 7 days are left, so we need to wait for this candle to close so that we can understand where buyers wants themselves to be sustained. Anyways, for now, understand this demand zone actually worked, and this demand zone is a reaction of this demand zone. Like this supply zone is a reaction of this proper supply. Okay, now price is trying to go deeper. I'm going to show you here. So we'll go on weekly now. Understand, demand and supply, first of all, is a game of pending orders. So whenever a supply zone is hit, your pending orders are picked up, and that's supply zone or particular demand zone, it loses its strength, because pending, if there are pending orders of selling here, you can see this is a supply, selling orders were strong here, boom. Okay, look here, this is a supply zone. I'm showing you, this is like go and back test. Price goes in here with a lot of buying pressure, boom. Okay. This, now this supply, weekly supply, is a reaction of this. This is the original one, but this also worked. There are reasons why it worked, because look at the leg out candles here. Now this is tested. Look at this. This gave a fall here. Now this supply zone is just holding price. It can move around a little bit, but ultimately whenever our supply zone is tested, it loses its strength. This has lost its strength. It can go up. This has lost its strength. This was broken. Remember, I was telling you like a minute ago, whenever a supply needs to be broken, a demand is created. This demand actually was created, and boom, it went right through it. This, again, this is a poor supply, poor supply. Okay, and this is tested, so we can go around 155 easily, should go, and can go beyond that. I'm going to discuss every level. Now I'm going on daily. Understand, price will first halt here, because this is not tested. This is tested from wick, though not even wick. So this can stop the price, and it can give you a heart attack or whatever. I don't know, if you're doing options, it's going to go like Tesla, what Tesla is doing. Anyways, this here is your supply zone, and this is actually the top of a selling. That's why it's holding price. It's not the greatest of all supplies, but yeah, it's holding price, and it is making it react. Look at this. This is what the top actually does. So this, look at this. This is a poor supply, and it has made, some news, some sort of news came yesterday. It made it react. Now imagine when price will go here, it will also make it react. This is how, because we have pending orders here of selling. Now understand, everything else is tested. Look at this supply. I'm showing you the data. Look at this supply. This is a supply. Price goes inside this box. Boom. Okay. So I'm trying to understand here. I have experienced this, that if you want to know the quality of a supply or demand, you need to go inside and check what's going on. So I'm showing you here. Look at this supply. Boom. It goes down. Now this is all tested, so price will hold here, ultimately it's going to go up. Now we don't have anything like a proper supply after we cross 159. So for me, I feel I should go long till here 165 with a stop loss of what, um, if I get a closing tomorrow under 140, okay, I will book my loss. I don't care, because then it can go and test here. Ultimately, you need to understand price is moving from monthly, it will go to 165. Now I am trading this, I'm not investing. Understand that a trader become an investor once the position goes against him or her. I am a trader, I will book my loss. There are two options. I'm going to book my loss if it closes under 140 tomorrow or in the coming week. It's going to do a wick and go up. I will add positions. But if it closes under 140 on daily, boom, I'm out. Or I can add here, here, these are your average down levels. But understand, I will get out. Now, what is my target? So I've explained you the stop loss. What is my target? These are these red lines that you see, these will hold the price. But ultimately, I see 165 plus targets from CMP. CMP is current market price. I hope, let me show you here. These are the trends on all the time frames. There are two kinds of trends, but it's ultimately up. Don't worry about this. These are my notes. I'm clearly telling you that price is moving from monthly demand zone, RBR. Go and watch the video. I've uploaded the video. I will attach the link to the video as well for the demand zone video. Price is continuously making higher highs. Price can be stopped here for a while. Ultimately, it's going to go up. We don't have anything on monthly. Okay, we don't have a quality. This is not a supply. I will take it out. We don't have a quality supply. This is just base garbage. Okay, price can go up to 170. So for tomorrow, I'm long from 141 levels. I got some sort of confirmation. So this is how trading works. If it hits your stop, you need to know your stop. So now understand the RR. Okay, if I'm long here, I got around 141.50, and I'm putting a stop loss right under 140, I said. Okay. If it hits my stop, I would be glad to accept the loss and move out. Okay. Let's go 139. And I'm telling you, I'm gonna get a target of at least like 2-3 months, 165. Look at the RR there. It's insane, right? Or even if you go here, okay, let's take a small target. Look at this. With this small, because my risk is very small. Look at this, I'm risking $1 to make what, $5-7. Look at the RR I'm getting. I actually entered at 141. Let's go up 141.50. Okay, look at the RR, 1:6, minimum 1:6. So that's not a bad trade. Usually 1:2, 1:3, people consider it as a good trade. You have news here. I don't care. I don't follow news. Look at this RR, man. And if I go and hold, which I will, minimum 165, look at the RR here. Okay, let's go 165. It's going to go to 170, by the way. It should. 1:15. This is what you need in your life. Don't do options. If you do like the analysis, make sure you follow me here on TradingView, YouTube, and don't forget to press the bell icon there. This is Chaartist for you. Have a wonderful trading week ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow with analysis for SPY. Take care. Bye bye.